Hello, I'm Matthew and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I appreciate you stopping by, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Today, I'm switching up my shave video format. This style is inspired by my friend Sean. I will have a link to his channel in the description box below. Go check out his channel and give him a like. Get your coffee ready, kick back, and enjoy. I hope I can do the voiceover quick enough because my shave went fairly fast. Now, it's time for some food for thought. Have you ever thought in 100 years what it would be like? Say 2126. We will all be gone, buried with our friends and loved ones. Strangers will live in our homes. Things we worked and fought so hard for, where will they be? Those people will even own everything that we have today. All of our razors, shave gear, and other important properties. They are unknown because they have not been born yet. Your favorite razor, shave brush, or even your car will probably be scrapped or recycled. I guess it could be in the hands of an unknown collector. If you are lucky, possibly one of your descendants will have these items. No one will know who we were, nor will they remember us. Don't believe me? I can demonstrate this now. How many of us know our grandfather's father? Well, I know his name. It was Amos. But I really don't know anything about him. Shockingly, after our death, we will be remembered for a few years. Then we will only be a portrait on someone's wall or a photograph stuffed away in the storage. A few years later, our history, our photos, go into the oblivion. Sadly, like those before us, we won't even be memories one day. If we stop to analyze these questions within this subject, we would understand how ignorant the desire of obtaining physical things really is. If we could rethink and approach our thoughts, most of us would change it. We would be different people by making this change. By stopping the chase would allow us to have more time. Time focused on the things that are really meaningful. I might change all of that. To live. To enjoy those walks I have never taken. To give those hugs or those kisses to our children, our loved ones that were never given. To give those a little extra shit, like those who text message you when you're trying to do a shave video. Or by the jokes and the pranks that we never had time for. I think that would be some of the best moments to remember in life. Those changes would fill our lives with joy, rather than to be wasted with greed of the physical world. The intolerance or the tedious repetition of the routine day-to-day things. Wouldn't you agree? that now is the time for us to think about these things. Please comment below if you enjoyed this type of shave video. I will see you guys on Sunday's shave. You have a great rest of your week.